Welcome. Today, we're diving into how you can make a video call with a friend on Snapchat using the latest steps for 2025. Whether you want to catch up face-to-face or just share a laugh, Snapchat makes it easy to connect with friends in real time. Let's walk through the process together so you can start your first video call in just a few taps. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll land on the familiar camera screen, ready to snap. But for now, let's focus on connecting with your friends. Look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your main profile page, where you can access all your personal settings and friend lists. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you've added on Snapchat. Scroll through and find the friend you want to call. If you have a lot of friends, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly type in their name and locate them instantly. Once you've found your friend, tap on their name. This will open up your chat with them, where you can see your previous conversations, snaps, and more. At the top of this chat screen, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the video camera icon. It's usually at the top right. Tap the video icon to start your video call. Your friend will receive a notification letting them know you're calling, and once they accept, you'll be connected face-to-face. During the call, you can use fun filters, mute your microphone, or even switch cameras to show what's around you. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily make a video call to any of your friends on Snapchat. It's a great way to stay close, no matter the distance. So go ahead, give it a try, and enjoy catching up with your friends in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping!